Hello, my lovelies. Today we are comparing stitches. Hello, welcome back or welcome if you are new here. I'm Maria from Maria Cousteau Designs. I'm really glad you find my channel. One of my previous videos, I explained how my auntie stitched her pieces, which is this one, actually these two, because instead of doing full crosses like this one, she did half crosses, and this one I did with two skeins, and this one is three skeins. But this one, it almost looks the same like the full crosses, but you save time and you save half of your flosses. I'm going to take with you in this video with me to design first drawing and then do it on the computer and then stitch it together. So at the end you can decide which one you think is best or how you would do it. I think my favorite is the half crosses with three skeins. For some reason it looks more, I don't know, neat under it than the full crosses. The one with the two skeins, it's just too light for me, so the eye is peeking out. But with the three skeins, it looks perfect. What do you think? Okay, now I finished with the second part, I think, because both of them are two skeins, I'm going to make one with half stitches but with 3 skeins, and it's gonna look much more similar to the normal crosses than this one. And let's see how it's gonna go. Okay, here we go. So I did it with 2 strand and 3 strand, and if you look closely, so this is the 2 strand crosses, and this one is 3 strand and just half crosses. So look really similar, and you can't really see the fabric under it, but with the 2 skeins you can see it clearly. Well, not there, but here under, I think you can see it. So that's a big difference. So this is 2 skeins and this is 3 and just half stitches. Let's carry on. Okay, we are here now. Now let's do the back stitches. Okay, this is very interesting. So as you can see, the most readable letters is on the half stitch with 3 skeins. That's why these tests are good, because now I know which one is better to use if I want to write lettering on it. With these two, I think if we are adding like a gray or a black outline just next to the letters, it would be nice and visible and pop out a little bit more. So I'm going to do that at the end. Now I have to do the sun and the leaves, and that's it really. Okay, so far it looks like this. So now you can see that it's full of flowers. Okay, and I choose this gray. So I'm going to use 1 skein to go around the lettering, so you will be able to see it much more clearly. Okay, as you can see, I changed the colors. Well, not changed it. I added gray outline on one of the clouds, but you can decide you would like it just plain white and nice and simple, or would you like to highlight it like this one. With the lettering, because I choose originally white one, I went over it with the gray because you couldn't really see. So it's up to you if you want to keep it just white or keep it just gray, but don't really do it both of them because it looks a little bit bulky. You can still read it. Actually, the lettering is this one is the best again. I don't know why, but this one looks much nicer than this one. And it took half the time because you only go one way, not both ways. So time wise, I suggest you do these two. If you are in a hurry and you want to make a gift, you can choose this one because you can't really see the Aida under it, and if they are not doing cross stitching, they won't know, if you only did half stitches, but it still looks perfect. Really like it. But the flowers, I really like it on this one. It's much more bolder and coming out nicely. This one is nice too. Even though it's half stitch, it looks full, except the small ones. What do you think? Which one is your favorite, or which one you would want to try? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow me so you can see more of my exciting videos. And you're gonna see more tutorials like this one, so you don't have to stitch it, so you can see without trying it out, and you can just choose which one you want. The next video is gonna be another Temu haul. I know, but I really like it and it's gonna be great. So if you are excited or you want to know what you can order from Temu to do cross stitching with, just keep following me and wait for the next video in the next Sunday. Of course, until next time, happy stitching. Bye.